Today, we will be doing a TubeTargeter review and demo walkthrough. TubeTargeter is a revolutionary new video marketing app that finds trending monetized videos and YouTube channels in any niche. You can create profitable video ads in seconds, with no manual work, so you can get in front of your perfect audience for fast results. TubeTargeter exploits a loophole to get instant and guaranteed buyer traffic for pennies per click. Before we get started with the TubeTargeter review, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when we upload new videos. Right, let's get started with the TubeTargeter review and demo walkthrough.
Hey friends, if you started a new website, an e-commerce or Shopify store, or probably an affiliate review site, and you're not getting tons of traffic, don't worry, because right away I'm going to be showing you how to use TubeTargeter to get tons of buyers traffic in 2022 and beyond. Let's dive in. Right here you can see our amazing dashboard for our brand new software TubeTargeter. To get started, we click on Discover and Video Search. So right here we're going to click on Discover and Video Search. Video Search is a powerful handle that can get you tons of traffic, tons of high targeted video in your niche. TubeTargeter has tons of video, but in this demo I'm going to be showing you how you can get tons of traffic from YouTube. When you click on Video Search, this is where you can input any keyword depending on the product you want to sell or depending on the business you're into. Just type the keyword and the software will go on to get you high traffic video in your niche. And these are the videos you're going to be putting your ads in front of. Now, this is how it works. When people go to YouTube and type a keyword, if what is typed is related to your ads, it will be listed out. For example, if you're into weight loss and you type in the keyword weight loss and select the amount of video, right here I'm going to type in weight loss and I'm going to select the amount of video I want. So for example, I'm going to be selecting 10 and I'll click on search. So what TubeTargeter is going to do, TubeTargeter will go search for high targeted videos around the niche for you to put your ads in front of them. You can see right here our result is being displayed. All these are monetized videos. You can see these videos were posted recently, 2 weeks ago. Yeah, these are videos you can start leveraging on to get massive traffic. You can see it has almost 400,000 views and over 6,000 likes and over 300 comments already just in 2 weeks ago. You can see these videos were highly targeted traffic in your niche. All you just need to do, you just have to tick on all and click on get URL. These are videos you can put your ads on right here. All these videos, it works for any niche depending on the niche you're on. Assuming you're into dog training, it's the same process. All you just need to do, come here and you type dog training, and you select the amount of videos you want and you click on search. So right on the same process, you can see giving me all videos in my niche for dog training. You can see all these are for dog training. You can also see monetized video. Yeah, for example, so this is over 200,000 views and over 6,000 likes and 200 plus comments in just 4 weeks. Yeah, or if you're into video marketing, it's all the same process. All you need to do, you click on all, you can see it ticks all, and you click on get URL. That's it. Very simple. You see, in a matter of minutes, you can instantly uncover high volume traffic, videos that can display your ads on for fast traffic, leads, and sales. You can get high volume traffic videos that's 100% targeted to your niche. This tool is very simple, and this is the easiest way to get buyers online in 2022 and beyond. Guys, what are you waiting for? Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching this TubeTargeter review and demo walkthrough. To find out more about TubeTargeter, click the link in the description below.